In this video, I will be showing you how you can easily create a Facebook account. So for the first step is that you want to head over to Facebook. Once you're on Facebook, what you want to do now is that you want to click on the Create New Account button. Then click on the Get Started button. Now you want to add your name and your surname and click on the Next button. Now you want to add your date of birth. Click on the Next button once you've added your date of birth. Now it's going to ask you what's your gender. It's either you're going to decide you're male or you're female. Now what you're going to do now is that you're going to add your mobile number. Or unless if you don't want to sign up with your mobile number, you can easily sign up with your email address. Now, once you've added your email address, what you're going to do now is that you're going to click on the Next button. Now you can easily create a password after clicking on the Next button. Then click on the Next button after inserting your password. Click on the Save Information button. You can then click on the Save Login Info. Click on the I agree button. Now it's going to send a code to your email address. So what you're going to do now is that you're going to go over to your email address and insert the code. But sometimes it will automatically insert the code itself. So you can then click on the skip button if you don't want to add your profile photo right now. But in this video, I'm not going to add a photo, so you can easily add your own photo. So I'm just going to click on the skip button. You can then click on the skip button again. If you want to import your contacts, you can easily click on import contacts, but if you don't want to, you can easily skip. So as you can see, you have successfully created a Facebook account. You can easily go right over here and view your profile. If you want to add a profile photo, you can easily add a profile photo. If you want to add any details of yourself, you can easily add them right over here too. So this is your profile right over here. As you can see, mine has no photo at all. So you can easily add a profile and a banner and your story, and you can easily add your details like your current town or city, workplace, or university, or hometown, relationship status, and more about yourself. So that's how you can easily create a Facebook account for free. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment.